So I am 200 pounds. Shit has hit the fan. I'm back on Wegovy. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm going to share a little personal insight into how I'm feeling lately. I'm going to share a luxury haul, a lower end haul, a DIY, and a cooking recipe at the end. So cheers. Always remember, I paid $60,000 on culinary school, so you don't have to. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, my microphone died and I spilled coffee all over my white shirt. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Five Below. Now my kids love Five Below. And I just thought they had some cute things this time. So I got this water bottle, but it's not just, I'm not just excited about the water bottle. I'm excited because they had these things. My shirt, this is like a new top. Look how cute this is. This is like one of those things that you put around. I don't know how you do it, but there's a picture. Look, there's a picture. You see how they did it? And then I got this one. You see the picture? So like, my name doesn't start with the A, it's Lena, but it's just like, it reminds me of my scrapbooking days. Like this cute little bow and then these little toppers for the straw. So I thought that was super cute. Then I'm throwing a graduation party and I'm super nervous because I don't know who's all gonna come. My class only has about 19 students and I hope they all come, but they might not. So I didn't wanna overdo it, but I got like pool toys. So we have like a big raft. We have a ducky target toss and we have a float. So that will be fun. And then, okay, so they're super athletic. Like my classmates are super, like they'll run like 5Ks. So I got like a badminton set in case they want to do that in the pool. That'll be super fun. So now I want to show you my issue with my renovation project. So when my husband and I, when we go out of town, which is not often, we stay at like really bougie hotels like the Four Seasons, the Ritz. There's a really nice one in La Laguna Niguel, which is even nicer than the Ritz. I forget what it's called. But they all have one thing in common. They have floor-to-ceiling drapery, and they cover it with like a valance. So I had my husband build that, right? Originally, I wanted to cover it with this dental molding, but the dental molding wasn't like white enough. But now it looks kind of plain. I'm wondering if I should go on top with this, look. So I am 200 pounds. Shit has hit the fan. I'm back on Wegovy. It's been one day, but 200 pounds, that's a no-no. Like I have no more cheekbones. I have this full-on double chin. So I'm gonna address that over the next upcoming months. I'm gonna be working out more. I'm gonna do my Wegovy. I'm gonna cut back on eating late at night. And so I've already started working out twice a week. And so that's the beginning. But I want to share with you some luxury items that I bought. What I got from my husband, I got him Queer Beluga. It's by Guerlain. This was expensive, you guys. So I'm not saying to go out and buy this, but I'm like, it smells so rich. It just smells so good. I will upload the notes, but this is what it looks like. Go buy a sample. Even the sample is like $100, but before you splurge, buy a sample. Don't let this be a blind buy because I've done that in the past. So I have purchased Kirke, Tiziana Terenzi, vanilla powder. I've purchased the Delina. I've purchased Limewash Guidance. I would never recommend a blind buy for an expensive niche perfume. However, these just so happen to work out for me, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's not too sweet and syrupy, and it's not too musky, whiskey, and woodsy. It's just like the perfect balance, okay? Now, I've been wanting to buy this for a while, but part of me was like, well, my kitchen's not renovated. It won't be aesthetic if I do videos, like with matcha espressos and just playing around. But I'm like, life can't wait for renovation. You need to just buy the things you love, no matter what the background looks like, because to someone else, the kitchen is amazing. To you, it may not be up to par, but you get what I'm trying to say. So I just bought it anyways, and they had it. I was checking on Amazon. Amazon had it for like $6.50, and Home Goods had it for like either $4.99 or $5.99. I think $4.99. So anyways, I picked this up, the Breville. You remember when I bought this little cute set from Love A Crew? This would be like the perfect little espresso drink holder, because I bought two. This. Look at this. Gotta get my thumbnail. I love the circular feet. Now, you can probably make this, but I decided to buy it. And you know what's crazy? The last thing I needed was another beige container. Oh, look. Oh, my arm is messed up. This one, which I did myself. This one, which is stone. So, obviously, I have a thing for the beige bowls. So that one beige bowl that we saw at Walmart, I knew I didn't have to get. And this one's really beautiful because it's natural stone. But yeah, so I got that on that back part. Just imagine that on the little table. So it's gonna go there. The next thing I got, which is on auto repeat, Elta MD. This is the best sunblock. It doesn't give you pimples. I actually like their other formulation called UV Sport, but I think they stopped making it. It's actually even bigger. So I have the UV Sheer. Go pick it up. This I will completely support, recommend, and endorse. Spend the $30. It's worth it. Item I got is for the renovation. I mean, not renovation. Room upgrade. So you know, I'll give you a hint. What treatment did I do in my bathroom? Limewash. So I got 3 more Limewash. This is by Vasari Paint. And actually, I asked them for a coupon code. They don't have one for me. Maybe I'm not a big enough influencer. Maybe I don't have enough views. Whatever. So I got the Vasari. And this color is called Dolamite. I've tried other colors in the past. This one is the perfect, like the lightest taupey gray that you can imagine. This is it. It has a hint of ashiness and coolness. It's not just like a warm beige. It's like a cool warm, if that makes sense. So you guys get a small sample of Dolamite. It is so easy. Limewash, all you do, you take a brush and you do little strokes like that. You do it twice. Wait for the first round to dry, then go over again. You're golden. You have these subtle little clouds. I just love Limewash. And like my bedroom stays pretty clean, so it's a perfect place to do it. I wouldn't do it in a high traffic area if you have young kids, but for your master bedroom, which you really keep pretty nice, it's okay. And at first I thought it couldn't get water on it. It can. It will get some pale water spots, but you can just go over it. Yeah. So Limewash. Product I got, which has to do with renovations, is this. And this is called Peel Away, because I want to save like $3,000. So my bathroom downstairs, I painted the cabinets black, but it's like, I really want to do wood like I did upstairs. I want to just restain the wood, but I need to strip back the layers of white and black paint. And this one, I've never tried it, but supposedly you brush it on, then you add this like paper, and the paper is supposed to peel it away. Okay, what we have right here is some homemade green seasoning. We're going to take some piloncillo, which is basically sugar. We're going to brown it with our spices. I was going to make the yuca, but it was moldy. We're adding our green seasoning to our brown chicken, adding some bouillon and some water, cranking up to high, covering it to low after 2 hours. Add your coconut milk. I have like an addictive personality. All right. And so if I do crown molding in one room, I'm going to want to do it in the whole house. And that's going to cost an arm and a leg. So let me know in the comments if you think it looks cute like that, or if I should add crown molding. Okay, so we have the new curtains here that are just the right length, and we have the old ones here that I'm gonna put in a different bedroom. And this is what we're doing with the trim. We're adding dental molding, and then I'm gonna paint it. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video, and we'll see how this whole look comes together.